What if your dad finds out? I'm not as tough as I look.
Wait, shh. Do you hear that?
Go long!
Hey, look, there's Ethan.
Yeah, Ethan! You go, boy.
Oh, that was nice. Yeah!
See? Fun. No danger.
Check me out!
I'm sure he's fine.
I'm completely not fine.
Oh, you did not just do that. That was crazy. Nice.
Isn't he perfect?
Perfect, it's such a strong word. Maybe adequate. Who are we stalking?
Is it Ethan? I bet it's Ethan.
Oh, hey, Wiener.
What are you guys doing here?
Manny told us to keep an eye on you.
But not to let you see us.
Under any circumstances.
Oh, stupid.
Okay, I'm going for it. Do I look okay? Louis?
Okay. Doesn't even begin to cover it.
Oh, Louis. You're the greatest friend ever.
That's me.
Hi, Ethan. My name's Peaches. What's yours? What am I doing? Okay, just be cool. Just be cool.
Yo, that's intense.
Ow, ow, it hurts so much.
No.
Gross. It's that weirdo who chills with...
Oh, what just happened?
Oh, no, Ethan, I'm so sorry. Wow. Even better looking up close. Phenomenal. I mean...
You have a twin sister?
Am I interrupting something?
Dad!
Oh boy. Okay.
Sorry if I just... Wait, no, you go left.
Move back a bit.
Oh,
Almost.
good.
You, keep away from my daughter.
Dad, nothing...
And you're grounded.
But I didn't do-
Grounded.
Loser alert.
Ouch, that's your dad.
Seriously, that's embarrassing.
What a freak.
Peaches. Peaches, come on, let's talk about this.
How could you embarrass me in front of my friends?
You deliberately went where you weren't supposed to.
Ugh, you can't control my life.
But I'm trying to save your skin. That's what fathers do.
Well, I wish you weren't my father. I hate you.
She's just upset, honey. Peaches, it's not the end of the world.